What is electron affinity? Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is added in the valence shell of an isolated gaseous atom. Affinity means attraction. Simply we can say it is the tendency of an atom to accept an electron to form an anion. Let's see about the trends. Electron affinity value increases from left to right along a period. As you already know that along a period atomic size decreases, nuclear attraction for incoming electron increases due to smaller size. More attraction means more energy will be released. So electron affinity increases along the period. For example, when we move from nitrogen to fluorine, electron affinity increases from 141 to 328. Negative sign indicate the release energy in this case. Let's see trend in electron affinity down the group. Electron affinity decreases from top to bottom in a group because atomic size increases. Shielding effect also increases, which results poor attraction for incoming electron. Less attraction means less energy will be released. For example, when we look at the 17th group elements, fluorine to iodine, fluorine release 328 kJ per mole energy, while iodine release only 295 kJ per mole energy. Why noble gases are non-reactive? Noble gases like neon, argon, krypton are non-reactive in nature as they have complete octet, i.e. 8 electrons in their valence shell, and they are stable in nature. For example, neon, its ionization energy is 2081 kJ per mole, which is so high that it is unable to release its one electron to become cation. Similarly, when we look at the electron affinity, it is 0 due to complete valence shell. So it don't try to attract any electron towards itself. So anion formation is also not possible. That's why noble gases are non-reactive in nature. What is the relationship between ionization energy and electron affinity? As you know that ionization energy is energy required to make cation and electron affinity is energy released to form anion. Both cation and anion form ionic bond due to strong electrostatic force of attraction between them. What is electronegativity? The ability of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself is called electronegativity. It is a special property especially for covalent type of bonding. In covalent bonding, each bonded atom shares an electron to form covalent bond. This is called shared pair of electron. When this shared pair of electron is attracted towards more electronegative atom, which is more powerful, so it causes partial negative and partial positive charges at the bonded atoms. What about the trends along a period? Electronegativity increases from left to right along a period. As you already know that atomic size decreases along a period and nuclear attraction for incoming electron increases due to shorter distance from nucleus. This increases the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself. For example, look at the elements of second period and their electronegativity value. When we move from lithium to fluorine left to right in the second period, electronegativity increases from 1 to 4. Let's see the trend of electronegativity down the group. Electronegativity decreases down the group as you know atomic size increases, shielding effect increases, which result for the poor attraction for incoming electrons. For example, when we look at the electronegativity value of 17th group element from fluorine to iodine, fluorine has 4 electronegativity value and iodine has 2.7 electronegativity value. Electronegativity value on Pauling scale ranges from 0.7 to 4. Fluorine is highest electronegative in nature because it has 4 value on Pauling scale, and cesium is the least electronegative atom in nature, which has 0.7 electronegativity value on Pauling scale. What is similarity in electron affinity and electronegativity? There are same trends in electron affinity and electronegativity because according to definition both are nearly same, as electron affinity is tendency to attract one electron towards its valence shell, while electronegativity is the tendency to attract a pair of electrons towards its valence shell. Let's see what points have to be remembered. In all these properties, along a period, atomic radius shielding effect decreases due to increase in atomic number, and ionization energy, electron affinity and electronegativity increases, and down the group. Atomic radius shielding effect increases due to increase in number of shells and atomic number, but ionization energy, electron affinity and electronegativity decreases. Let's have a review. Today we have studied about the ionization energy, electron affinity and electronegativity along with their trends and their relationship. Hope you have understood well. Allah Hafiz.